This video is about installation of ultrasonic fuel sensor. This is the sensor head. Now we have put this tank upside down and we are going to install this sensor. First, we have to find a flat place to install the sensor. So we'll install the sensor here. This is a silicone gel that we used to install the sensor head. Here we have put the gel onto the sensor head, and then we have to install it like this. We have to spin the sensor head to make sure the gel is fully covered on the sensor head. Spin the sensor head to remove the air. It will be like this. Now we have filled the tank with water, and the display shows the height as 260.9. So we know when the tank is full, the height is 26 centimeters.